Some important birds. There are the birds have a pointed head and the beak, which help them to cut through the air. This type of body of anything is called a streamlined body. For example, aeroplane. For example, a boat, ship. For example, birds, etc. That is called a streamlined body. After that, flight. How many types of muscles? Sorry, how many types of feathers? First, before that, there are flight muscles. We are talking about what is flight muscles. Birds have pairs of wings and a tail which help them to fly. Their strong muscles help them to move the wings. These muscles are called flight muscles. What is downstroke? During the downstroke, the wings move downwards and forwards. What is upstroke? During the upstroke, the wings move upwards and backwards. These activities are called upstrokes. How many different kinds of birds in the world? So, there are over 9,000 different kinds of birds in the world. Most of them can fly. These are some birds that cannot fly, such as ostrich, emu, kiwi, and penguin. These birds cannot fly. Now, we can talk about feather. What is feather? Feathers are a very important part of bird's body. They help birds to fly. It also protects the body of a bird from different weather conditions. Birds' feathers are made up of protein. How many types of feathers in a bird? Birds have 3 types of feathers. Number 1, flight feathers, number 2, down feathers, and number 3, body feathers. Now what is flight feathers? These are large in size. These are found in the tail and wings. These helps them to lift themselves and provide balance for flight. After that, second number is down feathers. Down feathers grow close to the skin and keep the body warm. They are short, soft, and fluffy. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Number 3, body feathers. They cover the streamlined body of the bird. They also give shape to the bird's body. Beaks. Now, birds do not have teeth. They have beaks to help them to catch their food and eat it. The shape of birds' beak depends on kinds of food it eats. They also use their beaks to picking up things such as twigs for making nests. Birds use beaks to transfer food into the mouth of their young ones. After that, short and hard beaks. Birds such as sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have short and hard beak. This type of beak helps them to crush the grains and seeds. After that, curved beak. Parrot, parakeet, and macaw have a strong curved beak. This beak helps them to crack nuts and hard fruits. And a strong, sharp, and hooked beak. Birds such as eagle, vulture, kite hunt or feed on other animals. So they have a strong, sharp, and hook big that help them to tear the flesh of their prey, such as rat, squirrel, and snake. A strong and chisel-shaped beak. Birds such as woodpecker, hawk, and hummingbirds have a strong and chisel-shaped beak that help them to drill holes in the tree trunks for making their nests and to pull out insects. After that broad and flat beak, birds such as duck and swan have broad and flat beak with small holes on the sides. These holes help them to eat worms and small plants present inside the muddy water. Muddy water flows out through all the holes and leaves the worms and insects inside the beak. What is function of a spoon-shaped beak? A spoonbill has a spoon-shaped beak. This type of beak helps it to gather tadpoles and insects from water. What is function of feet and claws? Birds have two legs to move around. Most birds have four toes in each feet. Each toe has a curved and pointed claw at its end. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, to protect themselves, and to sit on the tree branches. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. What is flesh-eating birds? Such as eagles, vultures are flesh-eating birds. They have strong and sharp claws called talons. These birds hold their prey between their talons while flying. What is perching birds? The feet of birds such as crow, sparrow, and myna have three toes in front of and one toe in back. They use their toes to hold on a branch. This is called perching. This helps them to perch on sit on high branches without falling. That is why these birds are called perching birds. What is scratching birds? Scratching birds such as hen, rooster, and peacock have hard and sharp claws. Their hard claws help them to scratch and dig the ground and pull out insects and worms. What is swimming birds? Birds such as duck and goose have webbed feet. This is a web of skin between the three front toes. The webbed feet act like oars and help the birds to swim. Wading birds. Water birds such as cranes and herons have long and thin legs that spread out toes prevent them from sinking into the muddy water. They help them to walk through water in search of food. This movement is called wading. Climbing birds. Birds such as parrot and woodpecker have two toes that pointed forwards and two toes that pointed backwards. Such toes help them to climb on trees. Now the point, where do birds live? So birds build nests. They use twigs, grass, feathers, cotton.